How to change password in Lorex. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the password. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right bottom, you can see the settings icon. Tap on settings. Here, you'll be able to see the option called account settings. Tap on account settings. Now here, there's an option called security. Tap on security. So on the top, you can see the option called change password. Tap on change password. Now you must enter your old password in order to change your new password. So enter the old password first. So now you can enter your new password. So I prefer you to enter a strong password that you'll never forget. So enter a new password here. Now after you write this password, here on the bottom you can see this done button. Tap on done. So your password will be changed and you'll be even logged out. So you must enter the new password and you'll be done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.